Exploring the musical journey of Wyatt Flores, hits, history, and fan favorites. Wyatt Flores' journey through music is a symphony of success, captured in a mesmerizing montage of his greatest hits. Each note resonates with passion, showcasing his extraordinary talent and captivating performances that have won hearts worldwide. Growing up in a small town, Wyatt Flores was immersed in a rich tapestry of musical influences. From the soulful melodies of his parents' vinyl collection to the vibrant energy of local bands, these early experiences shaped his unique sound. Wyatt Flores' rise to fame began with small local performances, where his undeniable talent quickly garnered attention. His relentless dedication and electrifying stage presence propelled him onto the international stage, captivating audiences far and wide. Wyatt Flores' first major breakthrough came with his debut album, which skyrocketed to the top of the charts. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of his illustrious career, earning him critical acclaim and a dedicated fan base. Wyatt Flores' live performances are legendary, each one a testament to his incredible artistry. Iconic moments captured on stage reveal his magnetic charisma and the powerful connection he shares with his audience, creating unforgettable experiences for all who attend. Wyatt Flores' songs delve into themes of love, struggle, and self-discovery, drawing inspiration from personal experiences and the world around him. His lyrics resonate deeply with listeners, making his music both relatable and profoundly moving. Starting with local gigs in small venues, Wyatt Flores' dedication and undeniable talent soon caught the eye of industry professionals. From these humble beginnings, he steadily built a fan base, ultimately achieving international acclaim and performing on some of the world's biggest stages. Wyatt Flores' first major breakthrough came with his hit single, which topped charts and received critical acclaim. This success catapulted him into the spotlight, opening doors to numerous opportunities and collaborations with other renowned artists in the music industry. Live performances are where Wyatt Flores truly shines, bringing unparalleled energy and emotion to every show. Fans cherish these iconic moments, which showcase his incredible stage presence and ability to create a powerful connection with his audience. Collaborations with other famous musicians have significantly impacted Wyatt Flores' career. These partnerships have allowed him to explore new sounds and styles, enriching his music and broadening his artistic horizons. The resulting tracks often become fan favorites, highlighting the magic of musical synergy. Wyatt Flores has received numerous awards and recognitions throughout his career, solidifying his status as a musical icon. These accolades reflect his talent, dedication, and the profound impact he has on both fans and the music industry. Wyatt Flores' musical style is a unique fusion of genres, blending soulful melodies with intricate rhythms. His sound is characterized by heartfelt lyrics and innovative instrumentals, setting him apart from his contemporaries and captivating listeners worldwide with its distinctiveness. The recording process of Wyatt Flores' best-selling album is a testament to his artistic vision. Each track was meticulously crafted, reflecting his commitment to excellence. His attention to detail and passion for music shine through in every note and lyric. Over the years, Wyatt Flores' music has evolved, showcasing his growth as an artist. From his early works to his latest releases, he consistently pushes boundaries, experimenting with new sounds and themes that resonate deeply with his ever-growing fan base. Behind-the-scenes footage from Wyatt Flores' music videos offers a glimpse into his creative process. These moments reveal his dedication, teamwork, and the intricate planning involved in bringing his musical visions to life, making each video a visual and auditory masterpiece. Wyatt Flores is not just a musical sensation. He is also known for his philanthropic efforts. He actively supports various charities, focusing on causes like education, mental health, and environmental conservation. His commitment to giving back has inspired many. Flores' influence extends beyond his music, impacting upcoming musicians and the industry as a whole. His innovative sound and authentic lyrics set a new standard. Many young artists cite him as a major influence, striving to emulate his success and originality. Concerts by Wyatt Flores are not just musical events, but experiences filled with funny and heartwarming moments. Fans cherish these interactions, whether it's his spontaneous jokes or heartfelt audience engagement. These moments create lasting memories for everyone in attendance. The lyrics of Wyatt Flores' songs resonate deeply with listeners, often addressing themes of love, struggle, and hope. His ability to articulate complex emotions through simple yet profound words makes his music impactful, leaving a lasting impression on fans and critics alike. Fans express their admiration for Wyatt Flores through various forms of art. From drawings to digital tributes, these pieces reflect their deep connection to his music. Fan art serves as a testament to the emotional impact his work has on people worldwide. Social media has been a game-changer in Wyatt Flores' career, allowing him to connect with fans globally. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok have amplified his reach, turning casual listeners into dedicated followers and creating a vibrant online community around his music. Fellow musicians rave about Wyatt Flores, praising his talent and humility. Collaborators often share stories of his work ethic and creativity, highlighting his ability to inspire and elevate those around him. Their testimonials underscore his influence and respect within the industry. Beyond his chart-topping hits, Wyatt Flores has ventured into unique side projects. These lesser-known works showcase his versatility and willingness to experiment with different styles, proving that his artistic vision goes far beyond mainstream success and conventional boundaries. Wyatt Flores' talents extend beyond music, with notable appearances in film and television. These roles have further cemented his status as a multifaceted entertainer, showcasing his ability to captivate audiences regardless of the medium and expanding his influence across various forms of media. Wyatt Flores' music resonates across different cultures, uniting fans from diverse backgrounds. His universal themes of love, struggle, and triumph transcend language barriers, making his impact felt worldwide. His ability to connect with a global audience is a testament to his artistry and relatability. Wyatt Flores' day starts with an invigorating studio session where he experiments with new sounds, followed by meticulous rehearsals. His afternoons often involve media interviews and promotional activities. Evenings are dedicated to electrifying performances that leave audiences in awe. Wyatt's most memorable performances are etched in fans' minds. From intimate acoustic sets to grand stadium shows, each performance is a testament to his exceptional talent and connection with his audience, creating unforgettable moments that resonate long after the final note. Looking ahead, Wyatt is excited about future projects that promise to push creative boundaries. Upcoming tours, new albums, and potential collaborations keep fans eagerly anticipating what's next, ensuring his legacy in the music industry continues to grow. Fans frequently share heartfelt messages, expressing their deep appreciation for Wyatt's music and its impact on their lives. These messages highlight the emotional connection between the artist and his audience, showcasing the genuine love and support that fuels his career. For more inspiring content and to stay updated on Wyatt Flores' journey, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Join a community of music enthusiasts and gain exclusive insights into the lives and careers of your favorite artists.